Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to give you guys a brow tutorial. I am going to show you guys how I groom my brows. I tried letting them grow in a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and start tweezing them. That is the first step I do. I did laminate them the last time I did them, which was 3 or 4 weeks ago. So they are a little weird. If you guys ever laminated your brows, then you know how it gets. If you don't keep up with that, the hairs get crazy looking and just kind of like going in all types of directions. But I'm gonna go ahead and start grooming. Y'all don't even want to know what's going on with my hair right now. It's like looking crazy, but I am going to get started here. So the first thing I do is I brush them up. I'm gonna take my tweezers. I actually use Tweezerman tweezers. They're my favorite type of tweezer. When tweezing your brows, you obviously want to start off plucking the hairs that are far away from the brow and they need to go, you know. You don't want to start up in here because that's just asking for failure. You're going to probably over pluck if you start up there. So I always start with the hairs that are obvious that you need to remove. As you can see, my brows are very sparse, especially at the tails. They've been like this for a while now. I think they just fell out just randomly, which is crazy because it's like my whole tail. My tail looks so weird, but I have to keep whatever the heck is there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this brow now. My brows are not twins at all. Gosh, I don't even think they're sisters. I think they are actual cousins. So this one does come up a lot higher. My face is like uneven. But when I pull up this side of my face, it looks more even, so whatever, I don't even care. I think I am done tweezing. You always want to just kind of stare at yourself in the mirror for a good 5 minutes to see if you missed any hairs, or you know, just try and get perfection. I've always loved this brow more. Like, look at that. That one's on point. This one's just looking crazy weird. This eyebrow pretty much has its life together. It has a 4-year degree at Harvard, and it's gonna be like a doctor. This one over here, she is on crack and basically living on the streets, so there's that. But it's okay, they're still cousins, they're still family, so no matter what they go through, we're all in this together. So let's try and make it work. After I am done tweezing, I actually like to go in with this thing. I am like low-key scared to use these things because I don't want to like cut the wrong part of my brow off, because that would just be terrible. So I just do it right here, and that is it. Oh, and down here too, right down the middle, because you know we don't want a unibrow. So now they are ready to be dyed. I do use this Just for Men Mustache and Beard dye. This is what I have been using for years. I get the dark brown color. It comes with the color developer and the color base. You just put equal amounts of both and just mix them together. Just use a very little squirt because obviously your eyebrows don't need that much product. I only use this brush for my eyebrows. It's just a Sonia Kashuk eyebrow brush. I'm just mixing the two together on a piece of paper. Sometimes I use a piece of paper towel. So whatever the heck you have, just go ahead and mix it on. Alright, now this is the tricky part. You want to be very careful. If you don't trust yourself in getting it right on the brow, you think you're gonna get it all over the place or underneath your brow, whatever, you could always use like Vaseline. If I do make a mistake, I just grab a Q-tip and just kind of quick get it off that area, you know. I always kind of like start in the middle of my brow. I do kind of go above where the hairs are growing because I want to fill in this brow, okay? Like, and if I have to do it with dye, then so be it, because this tail is not it. I have no tail. So as you can see, it's not totally perfect. So I do take a Q-tip, I suck it, and then I clean it up. Like that. Looks pretty perfect. I also fade out the front a little bit. Like that, so it's not like crazy. I leave mine on for 5 minutes maximum, and I will just wash it off with a damp paper towel. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and clean my brush off. It has been 5 minutes and I have my wet paper towel here. I literally just grabbed a paper towel and soaked it in water, and I go ahead and just swipe both of them. So pretty. I love the way it looks. Yeah, that is beautiful. I am in love. I'm telling you, eyebrows really make you. Like, eyebrows can pretty much determine whether you're pretty or not. Here's the finished look. If you have very sparse, thin, light eyebrows like me, then this is the way to go. It lasts about 2 weeks. I try and do mine every 2 weeks, but sometimes I do laminate them, so it just depends. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see how I laminate them. That is a fun time. My brows are thin, so once this dye does fade away, I have those very thin brows with no tail, which that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. let me know in the comments below if you want to see more tutorials like this or more beauty type videos, which I love doing. I love doing eyebrows, lashes, makeup, nails, all that stuff. So let me know what you guys want. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.